Flying a drone isn't as simple as just buying one from the store and taking it out for a spin. In fact, to fly a drone legally and safely, you need a specific DGCA certification. Yes, you heard that right. Drone pilot training is not just recommended, it's mandatory. Let's talk about what drone pilot training actually involves. The training covers a wide range of essential topics, from understanding airspace regulations to mastering emergency procedures. By learning about airspace regulations, you ensure your flights are legal and safe for everyone. Training educates pilots on how to operate drones safely, minimizing the risk of accidents. Knowing how to respond in an emergency can be the difference between a minor mishap and a serious incident. Training provides in-depth knowledge of drone systems and advanced piloting skills, maximizing your drone's capabilities while ensuring its longevity. Weather plays a significant role in flying drones. Through training, pilots learn how to interpret weather conditions and make informed decisions about when and where to fly. Every flight carries potential risks. Training teaches pilots how to assess these risks and implement strategies to mitigate them. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at why drone pilot training is not just beneficial but mandatory for anyone looking to pilot a drone. It's about more than just abiding by the law. It's about ensuring the safety, efficiency, and longevity of your drone piloting endeavors. Whether you're aspiring to capture stunning aerial footage or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, the journey begins with proper training. Join EduRade to become a certified drone pilot and get your DGCA certificate in just 5 days. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow drone enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Fly safe, fly smart, and most importantly, fly responsibly.